how to make a quilling pen. Let me show you. So basically here I have taken a long needle. Okay, so this needle is as long as my finger. Let me show you. See, it's a bit more longer than my finger. So you need such a long needle, and the hole, that eye hole of the needle should be big enough, long enough as well. And we cut off the end portion of that eye which is closed. We cut it off so that it opens up, so just the end portion. And once you have cut off the end portion, this is what you'll have, an open shaped eye needle. Here what I'm doing is I am trying to make the needle open point blunt, because it might hurt my fingers when I am using it for paper quilling. Best thing you can do is, in case if you have an empty pen like this, okay, all you have to do is insert the needle in this pen, but you will need to do that with the use of hot glue. So taking the glue gun, I will add hot glue to the tip of the pen like this, and then insert the needle by applying a little glue at the tip. I will insert the needle inside the tip of that pen. There you go. And then I will secure it with more glue, and that's it. Let's try quilling this paper with this tool that we just made. So basically, if you do not have a quilling kit, you can make this tool at home in this easy way that I showed you. And this quilling tool works equally as good as the one that you get in the market, because I have used the other quilling tool as well. So it does a good job quilling. So friends, if you all liked this hack and found it useful, then do leave in your comments. And for more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe.